In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload posts on Patreon. To get started, log into your Patreon creator account and head to the left side menu. From there, click Create and then choose Post. This opens the post editor, which is where you'll build and publish your content. If you're new to Patreon's creator dashboard, take a second to notice the layout before moving on. That can make the rest of the process feel much smoother, especially if you plan to post regularly. Once the editor is open, begin by entering your title in the required title field. Make it clear and specific so your audience immediately knows what the post is about. After that, write your main text or description in the body section. This is where you can share updates, explain what's included, or add any context your patrons need. Try to keep your writing organized and easy to read, especially if the post includes multiple pieces of content. If you want to add media, click the plus icon on a new line inside the editor. From there, you can insert things like images, videos, audio files, or other attachments. This is useful when your post includes downloadable content or visual material that supports your message. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly review the content you've added so everything appears in the right place. Next, adjust your post settings. You'll be able to choose whether the post is public or restricted to specific paid tiers. This is an important part of the setup because it controls who can access the content. If the post is meant to be a member benefit, make sure you select the appropriate tier access. You can also add tags or organize the post into a collection, which helps keep your content easier to browse later. In the settings panel, you'll also have the option to turn comments on or off depending on whether you want audience interaction on that post. When everything looks good, it's time to publish. If you want the post to go live right away, click Publish Now. If you'd rather post it later, use the schedule option and choose your preferred future date and time. Scheduling can be especially helpful if you like to plan content in advance or maintain a consistent posting routine. And that's it. Once published or scheduled, your Patreon post is ready to reach your audience. Follow this same process each time you upload a post, and it'll quickly become part of your regular workflow.